How to delete an Instagram account permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do so, simply head over to the bottom right corner and go to your profile. After you're on your profile, simply tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, you are now on settings and activity. Now tap on your account, that is the account center by Meta. Tap on it and now you're on Meta account center. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to scroll down under account settings and there you should see personal details, your information and permissions, and so much more. Now you can browse through each and every one of this, but you'll need to go to your personal details and there you will find account ownership and control. Tap on account ownership and control and there you should see two options. One is the memorialization, the other is deactivation or deletion. Tap on deletion and here choose your account. Now we'll select the Instagram one. After you do that, you will see two options again. One is to deactivate, the other is to delete. Simply select the delete account option and tap on continue. After you do that, simply select the reason why you are deleting your Instagram account. So simply, choose one and then tap on continue again. After you do that, tap on continue. And after you do so, you will need to re-enter your password. Now, after you re-enter your password, your account will get deleted and that is basically it. And that is how you delete your Instagram account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.